Welcome to CAMS Kalvi channel. In the video, 10th standard science biology 3rd lesson transportation in plants and circulation in animals. அதோட book back questions பார்க்கலாம். Choose the correct answer. Active transport involves all of the above. Water which is absorbed by roots is transported to aerial parts of the plant through xylem. During transpiration, there is loss of water. Root hairs are both B and C. Which of the following process requires energy? Active transport. The wall of human heart is made of all of the above. Which is the sequence of correct blood flow? Atrium, ventricle, arteries, vein. A patient with blood group O was injured in an accident and has blood loss. Which group of blood should be used by doctor for transfusion? O group. Heart of heart is called SA node. Which one of the following shows correct composition of blood? Blood minus plasma plus RBC plus WBC plus platelets. Fill in the blanks. Transpiration involves evaporative loss of water from aerial parts. Water enters into the root hair cell through semi-permeable membrane. Part of the root that absorb water from the soil is root hairs. Normal blood pressure is 120 by 80 milligram. The normal human heartbeat rate is about 72 to 75 times per minute. Match the following. State whether true or false. If false, write the correct statement. The phloem is responsible for the translocation of fluid. True. Plants lost water by the process of transpiration. True. The form of sugar transported through a phloem is glucose. False. The form of sugar transported through a phloem is sucrose. In apoplastic movement, the water travels through the cell membrane and enters the cell. False. In symplastic movement, the water travels through the cell membrane and enters the cell. When God cells lost water, the stoma opens. False. When God cells lost water, the stoma closes. Initiation and stimulation of heartbeat take place by nerves. False. Initiation and stimulation of heartbeat takes place by muscle fibers. All veins carry deoxygenated blood. False. All veins carries deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. WBC defends the body from bacterial and viral infection. True. The closure of the mitral and tricuspid valves at the start of the ventricular systole produces the first sound LUBB. True. Answer in a word or sentence. Name two layered protective covering of human heart. Pericardium. What is the shape of RBC in human blood? Biconcave and disc shaped. Why is the color of the blood red? The RBCs impart red color to the blood due to the presence of respiratory pigment hemoglobin. Which kind of cells are found in the lymph? White blood corpuscle. Name the heart valve associated with the major arteries leaving the ventricles. Semilunar valves. Mention the artery which supplies blood to the heart muscle. Coronary artery. Short answer question. What causes the opening and closing of guard cells of stomata during transpiration? The opening and closing of the stomata is due to the change in turgidity of the guard cells. When water is into the guard cells, they become turgid and the stomata open. When the guard cells lose water, it becomes flaccid and stomach closes. What is cohesion? The force of attraction between molecules of water is called cohesion. Trace the pathway followed by water molecules from the time it enters a plant root to the time it escapes into the atmosphere from a leaf. Once the water enters the root hairs, the concentration of water molecules in the root hair cells become more than that of the cortex. Thus, water from the root hair moves to cortical cells by osmosis and then reaches the xylem. From there, the water is transported to the stems and leaves. What would happen to the leaves of a plant that transpires more water than its absorption in the roots? When the leaves of plant transpires more water than its absorption, it results in excessive transpiration. This leads to the loss of necessary moistures from the plant body, resulting in wilting or drying of leaves. It may also lead to death of a plant. Describe the structure and working of the human heart. Structure. The human heart is made up of cardiac muscle and is enclosed by the pericardium. It is four-chambered. The two upper chambers are called auricles and the two lower chambers are called ventricles. The tricuspid valve is located between the right auricle and right ventricle. The bicuspid valve is located between the left auricle and left ventricle. Working, the heart is a muscular pumping organ that pumps out blood into the blood vessels. The right and left auricles pumps blood into the right and left ventricles respectively. The right and left pulmonary arteries supply deoxygenated blood to the lungs. The oxygenated blood is supplied by the aorta to various organs of the body. The coronary arteries supply blood to the heart. The valves that regulate the flow of blood in a single direction and prevent backflow of blood. Why is the circulation in man referred to as double circulation? In man, the blood circulates twice through the heart in one complete cycle, so it is called double circulation. In double circulation, the oxygenated blood does not mix with the deoxygenated blood. What are hearts sound? How they are produced? The rhythmic closure and opening of the walls of the heart causes heart sound. The first sound, L-U-B-B, lub, is of longer duration and is produced by the closure of the tricuspid and bicuspid walls after the beginning of ventricular systole. The second sound, dub, is of a shorter duration and produced by the closure of semilunar walls at the end of ventricular systole. What is the importance of valves in the heart? They regulate the flow of blood in a single direction. They prevent the backflow of blood. Who discovered RH factor? Why was it named so? RH factor was discovered by Landsteiner and Wiener in 1940 in rhesus monkey. The RH name was derived from the name of the rhesus monkey, so it was called RH factor. How are arteries and veins structurally different from one another? Distributing vessel, collecting vessel, pink in color, red in color, deep location, superficial in location. Wall of artery is strong, thick and elastic. Wall of vein is weak, thin and non-elastic. Why is the sinoarterial node called the pacemaker of heart? Sinoarterial node called the pacemaker of the heart as it is capable of initiating impulses which can stimulate the heart muscle to contract. The impulse from this node spreads as a wave of contraction over the right and left arterial wall, pushing the blood through the arterioventricular walls into the ventricles. The wave of contraction from SA nodes reaches the arterioventricular AV node, which is stimulated to emit an impulse of contraction spreading to the ventricular muscle via the arterioventricular bundle and the Purkinje fiber. Differentiate between systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation. Circulation of oxygenated blood from the left ventricle of the heart to various organs of the body and return to deoxygenated blood to the right atrium. Pulmonary artery arises from the right ventricle and reaches the lungs with deoxygenated blood. Aorta carries oxygenated blood to all the organs of the body. Pulmonary veins collect the oxygenated blood from the lungs and supplies it to the left atrium of the heart. The complete events of cardiac cycle last for 0.8 seconds. What is the timing for each event? Each cardiac cycle lasts for about 0.8 seconds. The event during a single cardiac cycle involves arterial systole, contraction of auricles 0.1 second, ventricular systole, contraction of ventricles 0.3 second, ventricular diastole, relaxation of ventricles 0.4 second, total duration 0.8 second. Reasons for the following statement. Minerals cannot be passively absorbed by the roots. Reason: minerals are present with the soil as charged particles that cannot move across the cell membranes. The concentration of minerals in the soil is usually lower than the concentration of minerals in the root. Most minerals enter the root by active absorption. Guard cells are responsible for opening and closing of stomata. Reason: the opening and closing of the stomata is due to the change in turgidity of the guard cells. When water enters into the guard cell, they become turgid and stomata open. When the guard cells lose water, it becomes flaccid and the stomata close. The movement of substances in the phloem can be in any direction. Reason: phloem transport food from a source to a sink. The source is a part of the plant that synthesizes food. Example, the leaf. The sink is the part that needs or stores the food. The source and sink may be reversed depending on the season or the plant's need. Since the source-sink relationship is variable, the direction of movement of substances in the phloem can be in any direction. Minerals in the plants are not lost when the leaves falls. Reason: minerals are remobilished from the older dying leaves to the younger leaves. This phenomenon can be seen in deciduous plant. Elements like phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen and potassium are easily mobilized when elements like calcium are not remobilished. Some amounts of material exchange takes place between xylem and phloem. Hence, minerals in the plants are not lost when the leaf falls. The walls of the right ventricle are thicker than the right auricles. Reason: the right ventricles have thick walls because the ventricles have to pump out blood with force away from the heart. From the right ventricle arises the pulmonary trunk, which bifurcates to form right and left pulmonary arteries. Mature RBC is mammals do not have cell organelles. Reason: mammalian RBC lack nucleus and makes the cells biconcave and increase surface area for oxygen binding. The lack of Mitochondria allows the RBC to transport all the oxygen to tissues, and loss of endoplasmic reticulum allows more flexibility for RBC to move through the narrow capillaries. Long answer question. How do plants absorb water? Explain. There are millions of root hairs on the tip of the root which absorb water and minerals by diffusion. Root hairs are thin walled slender extension of epidermal cells that increase the surface area of absorption. Pathway of water absorbed by roots. Once water enters the root hairs, the concentration of water molecules in the root hairs has become more than that of the cortex. Thus, water from the root hair moves to cortical cells by osmosis and then reaches the xylem, from where the water is transported to the stem and leaves. Types of movement of water into the root cells. Once water is absorbed by the root hairs, it can move deeper into root layers by two distinct pathways. Apoplast pathway, Simplast pathway. Apoplast pathway, the apoplastic movement of water occurs exclusively through the intercellular spaces and the walls of the cells. Apoplastic movement does not involve crossing the cell membrane. This movement is dependent on the gradient. Simplest pathway. In symplastic movement, the water travels through the cells is their cytoplasm. Intercellular movement is through the plasmodesmata. Water enters the cell through the cell membrane. Hence, the movement is relatively slower. Movement is against down a potential gradient. What is transpiration? Give the importance of transpiration. Transpiration is the evaporation of water in plants through stomata in the leaves. Importance of transpiration. Creates transpirational pull for transport for water. Supplies water for photosynthesis. Transports minerals from soil to all the parts of the plant. Cools the surface of the leaves by evaporation. Keep the cells turgid, hence maintains their shape. Why are leukocytes classified as granulocytes and agranulocyte? Name each cell and mention its function. White blood corpuscle or leukocyte. Based on the presence of granules in the cytoplasm of leukocyte, it is classified into two categories. They are granulocyte, agranulocyte. They contain granules in their cytoplasm. They are classified into neutrophils. Their numbers are increased during infection and inflammation. Eosinophils. Their number increases during condition of allergy and parasitic infection. It brings about detoxification of toxins. Basophils. They release chemicals during the process of inflammation. Agranulocyte. They do not contain granules in their cytoplasm. They are classified into lymphocyte. They produce antibodies during bacterial and viral infection. Monocyte. They are phagocytic and can engulf bacteria. Differentiate between systole and diastole. Explain the contraction of heartbeat. Systole is the contraction pace of the heart. Diastole is the relaxation pace of the heart. The blood pressure of 120 mm is considered normal in systolic pressure. The blood pressure of 80 mm is considered normal in diastolic pressure. It consists of two events: atrial systole, ventricular systole. It consists of two events: atrial diastole, ventricular diastole. Initiation and contraction of heartbeat. The human heart is myogenic in nature. Contraction is initiated by the specialized portion of the heart muscle, the sinoatrial SA node, which is situated in the wall of the right atrium near the opening of the superior vena cava. The SA node is broader at the top and tapering below, and it is made up of with thin fiber. Sinoatrial node acts as a pacemaker of the heart, as it is capable of initiating impulse which can stimulate the heart muscle to contract. The impulse from the sinoatrial node spreads as a wave of contraction in the right and left atrial wall, pushing the blood through the atrioventricular walls into the ventricles. The wave of contraction from SA node reaches the atrioventricular AV node, which is stimulated to emit an impulse of contraction spreading to the ventricular muscle via atrioventricular bundle and the Purkinje fiber. Enumerate the function of blood. Transport respiratory gases, oxygen and CO2. Transport of digested food materials to the different body cells. Transport of hormones. Transport of nitrogenous excretory products as ammonia, urea and uric acid. It is involved in protection of the body and defense against diseases. It acts a buffer and also helps in regulation of pH and body temperature. It maintains proper water balance in the body. Assertion and reasoning. Assertion: RBC plays an important role in the transport of respiratory gases. Reason: RBC do not have cell organelles and nucleus. Option A: if both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. Answer B: if both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C: A is true but R is false. Option D: both A and R are false. And correct answer option A: if both and A are true and R is correct explanation of A. Assertion: persons with AB blood group are called an universal recipients because they can receive blood from all group. Reason: antibodies are absent in persons with AB blood group. Option A: if both A and R are true but and R is correct explanation of A. Option B: if both A and R are true but R is not correct explanation of A. Option C: A is correct but R is false. Option D: both A and R are false. Correct answer option A: if both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. இதோட இந்த புக் பேக் வீடியோ ஃபினிஷ் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு புக் பேக் பார்க்கலாம். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க.